You just take the story and make whatever you'd like with them. That's all you have to do. Okay? Okay. Hi, I'm Justin, and this is the Project. Today we will be telling a story using Rory's story cubes as usual. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Rory's story cubes or story cubes in general, they're like dice, but they have little pictures on them. So you can make a story with them. Alright, um, I'm going to mix these up just a little bit. And here we go. I'm going to select two of these at random. Alright, we've got our two at random. We put them into the rolling cup of magic. We've got dice to roll. So, the first thing we need to do is establish characters and a location. This one is my old friend. I've had it before, a little sunrise for you. And I've also got, it's like an ATM screen. See? At least that's what I think it is. I mean, I guess it could be like a calculator, but it's more of an ATM screen because of the little stars that are hiding the character. Set it in front of an outdoor ATM machine, so it's just like a scene you might see in an acting school, or if you go see an acting show or something. Except it would be right outside of an ATM machine. And then for the sunrise, does that bring up a person to you? The sunrise over the landscape, this little picture, I think would be good for like a traveler. You usually want a little bit of money to travel with. So, someone driving around, they stop at an ATM machine. We'll call this someone who's traveling, Phil. So Phil is traveling. He needs money from the ATM machine. But can he get money? No. Why can't he get money? I mean, the easiest thing would be to say he just doesn't have it. And then, I don't know. That's kind of like, I mean, it's super relatable, I guess. But we're looking for something a bit more interesting. Let's see if the dice can show us what that would be. What's going to happen is the question. So we'll shake up our little thing and find out what happens next. So we've got Phil at an ATM machine trying to get money out. Why is he not getting money out? Well, here's a fingerprint here and a monkey. Monkey. He does get money out, but a monkey steals his money from him. The monkey grabs the money and runs into, like, there's this closing door. That the only way to access this door is to have the fingerprint. You have to have fingerprint identification to get in this door. Correct fingerprint identification. And does he? Well, apparently not. Sorry, Phil. We will roll to see what happens next. He needs to get in the door to get the monkey who stole his money. And shake. Shake your booty. Alright, we're gonna shake And roll and roll. It's the sun and the fingerprint. He asks the janitor for help, and the janitor is nice enough to add his help, and he actually does have the fingerprint to get in the door. And they find the monkey and la di da. But now they've got this monkey. What are they gonna do with the monkey? Well, Phil's gonna go driving off into the sunset, as you can see, with the monkey, a little monkey companion. Let's add a little tag to the story. Let's see what's gonna happen. As they drive off into the sunset, the monkey and Phil. Here we go. We have a microscope and a cactus. Well, okay, the monkey's a little stinker, I'm seeing, so Phil and the monkey get out of the car to go sightseeing in the desert. And they see a cactus. As Phil is making some scientific notes and looking at specimens close up, the monkey locks him in his car and drives off. Well, I guess monkeys can't drive, but the monkey still locks him in the car. And then you got a happy little story. Except for Phil, who's now got to figure out how to get the monkey to unlock the car so he can get into it. And yeah, that is kind of a stretch, but that's your story for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly enjoyed putting it together. And now I'm going to go get some food and maybe take a rest because my voice is sounding scratchy. Alright, well, thank you for joining me, and I will talk to you later. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, ask any questions you may have about the story, and I will try to answer them, I guess. And, yeah, take care, and I will see you later. Like, subscribe, bell, yay. Random.